G'day, this is A Motorcycle's Tale. Previously on A Motorcycle's Tale. What's that motorcycle? It's a Honda CB125e. Here's today's motorbike, a Honda CB125e, kindly lent to me by Alex. Let's go for a ride. Here we go for our first ride on the CB125e. Let's go. Woohoo! What can I say about this motorcycle? Well, it's a Honda. Hondas are always super reliable and super efficient. Some of the pros for this motorcycle are it's really economical on fuel. It goes a long way off a small tank. It's cheap to maintain and it can save you a lot of money. It's also light and manoeuvrable, easy to throw around. It's user friendly. It's got great features for a bike of its age. It has low maintenance. Basically do a bit of a service, change the oil, check the tyres, check the chain, and you're good to go. It's also quite cheap to buy. It's great for town riding. Not so great on the open roads, but definitely in town, around cities, easy. I'd like you to remember one thing though. Personal experiences can vary, and it's always recommended to conduct your own thorough research. Consider your needs, test ride one if you can, and determine if it suits what you want it to do. Okay, now let's go do our tests and see how this bike performs. Woohoo! Figure roads and figure eights, and as per most small bikes, the figure rows and the figure eights are insanely easy to do. No challenge. Not a problem. Easy to control. A little bit of throttle, a little bit of back brake, no clutch, just round I go. And as you can see, as I switch into the figure eights and I flip back into a left-hand turn, it's just so easy. Go. $60. Go. And 60. Go. And 60. Easy. Oh, go closer. it. On our final ride of the day, let's talk about some pros and cons of the Honda CB125e. Once again, the pros first. The fuel efficiency on these bikes are just outstanding. You can go for a long ride before needing to fill up. The Hondas are known to be super reliable with very small downtime, so long as you haven't done anything extreme to it. They're easy to handle, lightweight and nimble, as seen by my tests earlier in this video. Honda CB125es are super affordable, but they do drop in price rapidly. The cons. The CB125 says it right in its name. It only has a 125cc engine, so it might lack the power needed for high-speed highway riding or carrying heavy loads. It's best suited for city commuting and short-distance trips. It's on the smaller side. It's lightweight, which is super helpful for nipping in between traffic, but it can make it harder in open, windy areas. The features. Resale value. To be honest, you can pick up a CB125 very cheap, but it also means that if you bought it brand new, you won't get a high value back. It's got limited off-road capability. I really wouldn't take it off-road. It's not worth it. Ultimately, the Honda depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize fuel efficiency, reliability, and easy handling for city commuting or short trips, this motorcycle is a great option. However, if you're looking for more power and advanced features, you may need to consider a different bike. As always, it's essential to test ride the bike yourself, see how it handles, and if you like it, before making a purchase. Would I recommend this bike for a first-time rider? Absolutely. One of the easiest bikes to ride on the market. And even the new version, the CB125F, is very, very usable and very, very friendly. I hope that this episode has helped you make a decision about this motorcycle, and that the episode once again tells a motorcycle's tale. Thank you for tuning into this episode of A Motorcycle's Tale. If you have a bike that you would like to see reviewed, or if you have any other tests that you would like added to the reviews that I do, please put a comment down below or send an email to amotorcyclestale@gmail.com, and I shall do my best to include it in a future video. Okay, at the end of every episode, we're going to play a little game. It's called What's That Motorcycle? Comment down below what you think is the next motorcycle to be reviewed. What's that motorcycle?